Hi students, 12th Maths, Chapter 5, Exercise 5.2, fourth sum we are going to see. Find the vertex focus equation of directrix length of the lattice rectum. See, we are here, they are asked to find vertex focus equation of the directrix and length of the lattice rectum. 4 we have to find it. Here the given question is y squared equal to 16x. By comparing this, y squared is equal to 4ax, that formula like type. So 4a equal to 16 mean a is equal to 4. Here the parabola is the open right direction, is positive sign, no, okay. Vertex always will be 0, 0. Focus S is a, 0, here 4, 0. Lattice rectum x equal to a, x equal to 4. Directrix x equal to minus a, these are the formula, the tabular column I already sent it to you. That x equal to minus 4. So length of the lattice rectum is 4a is equal to 16. The second one, x squared is equal to 24y. Second question. So here x squared is equal to 4ay. There we wrote y squared equal to 4, here x squared. So 4a is equal to 24 means a value is 6. So the parabola is open up. X square 4ay. Vertex 0, 0, focus 0, a equal to 0, 6. So lattice rectum y is equal to a. That is y is equal to 6. Directrix y equal to minus a, y is equal to minus a. Lattice rectum 4a, that is 4 into 6, 24. Then third Roman letter you see. Y squared is equal to minus 8x. Comparing with this, y squared equal to minus 4x. Same type only. All the sums 4a equal to 8. Hence a is equal to 2. The parabola is open left. See, positive means right. Here minus coming left. So vertex always 0, 0. So focus minus a, 0. So minus 2, 0. Here lattice rectum x equal to minus a. There we wrote a for lattice rectum. Here minus a. So x equal to minus 2. Directrix x equal to a. That is x equal to 2. Lattice rectum 4a equal to 8. Fourth sum, they given equation types. X square minus 2x plus 8y plus 17 equal to 0. So the solution you see here. X square minus 2x, keep it this side. Remaining thing you bring it to that side. Minus 8y minus 17. So adding 1 on both the side, that is complete square method we are bringing. So x square minus 2x plus 1 here. Minus 8y minus 17 plus 1. So we will get minus 16. Here a minus b whole square formula. There 8 we can take outside y plus 2. So here x minus 1 we have to substitute instead of x minus 1 capital X, y plus 2 capital Y. Then only it will be easy to find y squared minus 4ax like that. So x squared equal to minus 8y. Comparing with x squared equal to minus 4ay, 4a is equal to 8, a value is 2. Here the parabola open down negative. Vertex 0. Here x value is 0. So x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. Y value 0 means y plus 2 equal to 1, y equal to minus 2. Here vertex is 1 comma minus 2. There and we wrote here 0 comma 0. First here we finding that xy value. So we are substituting 1 required vertex is 1 comma minus 2. Focus s equal to s 0 comma minus 2 a 0 comma minus 2. Here x equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 1. Y equal to minus 2, y plus 2 equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 4. So the required focus is 1 comma minus 4. Then lattice rectum y is equal to minus a. Here y plus 2 is equal to minus 2, so y is equal to minus 4. Directrix y is equal to a, y plus 2 is equal to 2, y equal to 0. So length of the lattice rectum is 4a here. Length of the lattice rectum is 4a. So 4a we are substituting that value here. Okay, 4a is equal to 8. 4 into 2, 8. Next fifth Roman letter. Y square minus 4y minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0. Here same way complete square method we have to bring it. Y term this side and x and constant term that side. We are adding 4 here. Y square minus 4. Here 4y having no 4 plus 4. Here 8x minus 12 plus 4. So here y square minus 4y plus 4, 8x minus 8. Y minus 2 the whole square equal to 8 into x minus 1 the whole square. Same way here we have to substitute, instead of x minus 1 is capital X, y minus 2 is capital Y. So y squared is equal to 8x. Here 4a is equal to 8a is equal to 2. The parabola is open, right? Vertex is 0, comma 0. X value equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. So x value will be 1. Y value is equal to 0. Y minus 2 is equal to 0 gives y is equal to 2. So the required vertex here is 1, comma 2. Then focus we are finding. A, comma 0, 2, comma same way. X equal to means x minus 1 equal to 2 gives x equal to 3. Y is equal to 0 means y minus 2 equal to 0 gives y equal to 3. Here focus is 3, comma 2. So latus rectum x equal to A. So x minus 1 is equal to 2, x equal to 3. Directrix x equal to minus A. So x minus 1 equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 1. So length of the latus rectum 4A is here also will be 8. Why 4 into 2? 8.